Morning, guys.
Morning.
Old cat. We're here today. We've come down to Staley Bridge. We're on one of the stretches. Not a clue where we are.
Near Tesco's, no street.
No.
Work round corner.
He works round the corner. You know, he's a grafter. This one. Grafter.
Who?
You. Grafter. That's it. Check these wonderful things out. Oh no, it's come on.
Keep it as well. It's cold, isn't it?
It's a cold one today. So we've got these. Hat hair.
Going bald, man.
Going bald, man. Got these lovely hats from Online Magnets. They're going to keep us warm.
Should do, eh?
Should do. We've not got my tripod today. You know.
Gonna do it chest mounted.
We're gonna have a go. See where we're at. You know, bit of POV action. If you don't mind.
If you will.
If you pardon the pun. Yeah. We'll let you know how it is on here. All right.
I've got a beast now.
Oh, yeah. I did tell you to bring it over. That's why I didn't.
No worries.
It's all right.
Ryan, chuck that in.
Ryan's got a beast. Can have a good go on that. New excited. He don't want to get it dirty. It'll come out filthy soon. 2 beasts, 2 200s.
Let's have it.
Let's have it. Let's go. What could we have here? It's a Debbie, right?
Yeah.
Give some description. Oh, bubbles.
Ah.
Oh, it's come off. Throw it back on. Yes. Right, then splashes.
Look at that.
Pardon?
Heavy.
Slowly, man. Does it look like a safe door, maybe? I would have thought they would be heavier than that. Is it a trolley?
Oh, fishing lure. Nice. 2p. UTL can. Someone's been robbing alcohol. Got a bike seat before. With a gel can. That little one. There.
Sort of pedal to a bicycle.
God knows.
Chandelier.
I'll
swing. A very nice chandelier. Or maybe a fan. Very nice. Gold plated. Oh yeah. Oh,
look at that.
bring it up a bit.
Hey, I'm buzzing with that.
He's taking that home.
It's a little 9 iron.
Nice, isn't it? I don't know. I should say on it what it is. £10 UK. It's a little 10 iron. Not a clue. Is it Dunlop? I've not a clue. Look at that. Buzzing with that. How have you got this?
Fucking lawyers.
What's that hook for then? It's a maggot, you pillock.
Oh yeah?
What?
Nothing there. Call me a pillock again. Hey, alright.
What are you doing?
Magnet fishing. Searching for any junk in there. Just found a golf club before. Shotgun shell we just found before over there. Find all sorts.
Really?
Yeah. Just clean up the canal and see what we can find. Yeah.
Yeah, well, you might find some treasure.
Well, that's it. Yeah. Little light or something.
At least the canal's getting cleaned up. Oh, it's that?
Well, that's it. We yeah.
That's off the
other piece we found.
The chandelier with the fan on it.
It's mad what you find. Honestly, we do some YouTube videos and just stick it on there.
What people throw in the canal, eh?
Yeah. It's mad, isn't it? Like I said, golf club. Perfectly fine. Why would you chuck that in? You know. Yeah, thanks for stopping anyway.
Stay the bridge. Right, guys, meal of the day today. I'm on my phone because the GoPro's picking up. But we're going for a Tesco's meal deal, as you can see. Chicken and chorizo sandwich, pork pies. I should have got a third. I didn't even get a third. Oh yeah, I did the pork pie. Fancy fruit twist. I got a cheeky yogurt there, as you can see. Muller rice. Word to your mother. What have you got?
Got tuna, baguette, Snickers,
Knickers.
some caffeine.
Caffeine. Bit of Red Bull.
Right, yeah man.
Makes you fly. Gives you wings. Bird's wings. Something. Alright, guys.
Here he is.
Here he is.
Yeah, man of the moment.
Yeah. He wishes you were out with us.
Yeah. Right. Oh, look at here then. What's that then? Oh, interesting, that's got something there. Oh, what's this? Oh, look at that. Yeah. Hey, James won't like it, it's a Nikon.
Thanks all that.
Yeah, I wonder what. I wonder if there's an SD card in it.
Show the camera.
Might be something, that's why it's in there.
Maybe. Don't be too careful about it. Yeah, right, pal.
Careful grenades.
That's it, yeah, we found one before, eh?
Yeah, I know, quick and do.
Mad, innit? There's no battery in it.
There's a battery. No.
Alright.
Where would the SD card be?
Probably don't have an SD card. It's quite old.
Of course it f***ing will.
Oh, there it
go.
is, shut.
Hey, why don't you take a home stick in your
That's
computer?
what I'm going to try and do. Just try and open it.
It's a good camera that though. Go on, stick your nail into it. Push it down. We get it
No,
now.
it's not a push down situation.
It's a pull up.
256 megabytes SanDisk. Try and see what we can explore off that.
Yeah.
Chuck him properly. Nice little camera, that.
Just as I said, I weren't finding that. I like that. Good find that. There's going to be something on that, obviously.
It's whether we get it working though. Might be fun.
Yeah, but is there a little one inside?
No, I don't think so. I doubt it.
Would you be able to stick that in you?
Yeah, that'll go into the back of me, Matt.
But it won't, will it?
Oh, yeah, of course it could be. Look at our SD cards.
Oh yeah, true. But you're putting it into a computer, aren't you? So, cool that.
Yeah. Chaff cans. Very nice leather. stolen. Pardon? Yeah. Look at that. Nice camera. We'll see what the SD card is in it. Oh, look wait. Look at that. Nice shotgun shell. Testing.
Wind's blowing at about 40 knots.
Knots.
12 Kelvin. 12 Kelvin.
Look at us with matching e-cigs. Loads of us have got it in family. Runs it family now. And we now have our topman on the second par. He's going. They're not even. 40 kelvins. He's going to go in for a part 4. Try and get a bogey. He's going to go in for a practice swing. No, he's not. He's missed. Practice swing. Clapping. Yes, bit of background cheering. He's aiming. Up. Oh no! See, I went for it again. It's all right. Let's see what we're seeing now here. Your back's too bent then. Oh, come on! Do you mean to do it?
Sorry, you're alright.
Right, up par 4. See what he's got? No. Move further forward. That were anticlimactic, weren't it? Beautiful, all in one.
I like that. Nice.
I'll have to take that home with you. Yeah, come in my house.
It's good, bang bang. Yeah, buzzing.